And that's the key. Don't make that the end game. Make this the end game in your lifestyle.
So, all right, Thach, we just went over through your this whole project. This is a $1.5 million purchase project.
1.5 million, yep.
1.5 million purchase project. You got 3 new builds here. You also got the construction costs
Yep.
and everything. If you're brand new,
Yeah.
right, starting out, and you don't have that kind of capital lying around to be able to buy, or relationships even to
Yeah.
be able to buy this
Seriously.
type of project, what kind of advice can you give to newer investors to be able to generate capital, to be able to find money to buy deals,
That's right.
to be able to pretty much start in real estate?
That's right. Well, you know this, okay? If you're brand new in the game, you haven't done a flip, and you don't have any capital, you have no relationship, then I would say learn to go master being a wholesaler. But not just any wholesaler. Learn how to master finding the right deal, how to identify what a good deal is to the investor, whether to a builder, and then go find those good deals and then wholesale them and stack your money.
Okay.
And when you stack your money and you do enough of these and you get enough experience, then I think the next hurdle is start fixing and flipping or fixing and holding single family.
Okay.
So you can get more experience, create more relationship. Because getting a team to build something this big,
Yeah.
you need a lot of people.
A lot of people.
Once you get to that, right, then you work your way up. So to go from not doing anything, going straight to here, it'd be a little tough. But if you do it right, you can get here in probably a year.
Okay, so about a year.
Yeah.
Right? That's if you're doing it right. That's saving your money, building your relationships.
Having the right people, mentor, hanging around
focus.
people, teaching you.
Right people, who you hang around is so important.
Absolutely.
Not just for the effect mentally up here, but who you hang around also has money you can borrow from as
That's
well
right.
and do deals with
Absolutely.
too, right? And so for those of you guys starting out, remember that message. It's easy to start as a wholesaler. It's still, you learn so much as a wholesaler starting out because you got to learn how to comp those properties. You got to
That's right.
learn what ARV is. You got to learn the
Cost
construction
construction,
side.
yep.
You got to learn all that stuff. You got to meet the other investors that are going to buy those projects from
That's
you.
right.
And then the key is, how do you get out of that as fast as possible
That's
so you
right.
can be like
And
the
that's the
investors
key.
behind it?
And that's the key. Don't make that the end game. Make this the end game in your lifestyle.
And the last key, save your money.
Save your money.
So I know so many house flippers that make a ton of money and they're broke because they spend it
And
all.
I know a
as much
bunch
as
of
they make.
builders.
You know builders too.
I know builders that make a lot of money and don't save the money. Because it's easy to get the money now and then not master instant gratification.
Instant gratification.
Yeah, people don't they don't want to delay instant gratification. That's the hardest thing, playing the long game.
Play the long game. So I guess that would be another third point, is play the long game in this and think 10,
Yeah.
15 years out as
That's
much
it.
as possible. And your future self will thank you, because you are going to hopefully be alive for 10, 15 years from now.
That's right.
And that person's going to want some extra cash and not have to keep grinding it every day.
And if you're young, get inspired and follow this message, folks, because you're gonna blink, 20 years gonna go by.
Awesome.
Yeah.